Welcome to the 19th episode Capital TV Midweek Update. My name is JC from TradersTruthReview.com. For Midweek Market Outlook, here is the Midweek Market Outlook. Now last week, the market Bursa Malaysia wasn't going anywhere. Okay, but judging from the evidence from the daily bar, something is big to happen, and it did. This week, on Friday and on Tuesday, the market broke above the old high at 1890, which is a significant milestone to crack. The old high resistance at 1890 has been breached, and this would only mean higher high for KLCI is expected in the coming weeks. If you have been following this program, we have been saying it all along, that the market will go higher as evidence from volume spread analysis indicates so. We have so many SOS here and here and here. Sign of strength. What is sign of strength or SOS? It is a situation where the demand overwhelms supply with lack of sellers in the background. It is the lack of sellers that are pushing the KLCI price higher. Remember, it is also this SOS in the background that will lift the market much higher. This week, the market continues higher with intermittent profit taking. Many retailers does not like new high and rather take profit than holding its money. However, institutional have other plans. Now remember also, this month is June 2014, which is the end of the first half 2014, and many fund and institutional will do window dressing to push the market higher just to get that slight edge. You hear it first from JC at TradersTruthReview.com. Yes, the market has turned greenish, bullish zone here, right? Looking at the IVSA chart here, right, the market is certainly biased to the upside now, as we've seen many of these green up pointing arrow, sign of strength, see here and here. At this point too, the US market also made new high despite weaker US economic data. Notice the IVSA chart, the short-term trend is still upwards, bullish stand. Note the gray line here, it is which is still pointing upwards from last week, is maintaining the same stand too. The longer blue line here, which is the medium term, is still bullish. We have support at 1880 price level. We may see another price rise next week. Now looking at the next slide that we have, which is the KLCI foreign fund net flow. Yes, you heard it from and see it at the Capital Midweek Update with JC for the foreign fund. Now in our site, TradersTruthReview.com, we noticed that last week, foreign fund was somewhere between net buying and net selling for the entire week. See the yellow arrow here. This week, foreign fund began to buy back as we've seen some inflow of foreign funds, which is here. Now that explains why the yellow sideways market on your screen. The short-term trend has changed sideways, but there is a bias to the upside. Notice the sideways yellow arrow last week, and this week it is still sideways too. With any lack of more inflow of foreign fund, there's a change in the market that it can break higher above the 1900 price level. This level, price 1900 level, is a level that many of us have not seen before. It also coincides the fact that we continue to hold the belief there will be more foreign funds buying in the coming weeks ahead of us. For those of you who are new, the blue line that you see here is the daily buying and selling of foreign funds, while the red line is the total accumulation of 5 days, and it's important to see the trend of the buying. You heard first from JC, TradersTruthReview.com. Now for our midweek stock watch. For this week, the stock to watch is Inari Ameratron Berhad with Bursa stock code 0166. Inari is one of the institutional pick for the best small cap hidden gems, which explains why major price movement over 100% was experienced since January 2014. Now Inari involved in electronic manufacturing services in the back-end wafer processing, radio frequency testing for the electronic industry. Operating out from Penang, Inari was founded in year 2006 by a group of electronic entrepreneurs. Since then, transferring to main board from the ACE market, the market capitalization has increased 10 times fold. Right now, from the IVSA chart that you see here, you can see Smart Money has completed its accumulation and ready to break above the resistance 3 ringgit here. The market may continue this bullish trend breakout. The market may go ballistic in the next few bars as Smart Money is ready to push up higher. How high can Inari go? That's a very good question. There's a chance that Inari may break to the 3 ringgit 30 cents level as fundamental analysts also have a target price between 350 to 370 ringgit. As you can see from the volume spread analysis chart, we have seen Inari just turn greenish, bullish zone 4 or 5 bars ago and may continue for a while. The next target short term is 3 ringgit 10 cent. Inari is quite a good fundamental stock. PE is at 15 times and the return on equity is 34%. It pays about 1.5 to 2% dividend, and it is also a growth technology story stock. You get it first from our site, traderstruth.review.com. Now let's turn our attention to last week's stock to watch, which is Destiny, or stock code 7212. After Destiny broke into a new high, which is the 72 cents, there were a host of profit-taking bar and the market pulled back to 69.5 cents and 70 cents ringgit. The support at 67 cents remained strong. Let the market prove itself as it began to move sideways here. Look for sign of strength first. As always, have a stop loss as there is no certainty in the market. Exit if the market break below the 66 cents here. Now let's go on to our next slide, which is the message of the day. Now VSA, or better known as volume spread analysis, teaches that strength in the market is shown on down bars and weakness is shown on up bars. This is the opposite of what most investor and trader thinks they know as the truth of the market. This quote is from one of the creator of volume spread analysis, which is Tom Williams. It formed the basis of the law of Richard Wyckoff and why we are likely to buy when there is a disinterest in the stock market and to sell when there is a heap of interest in the stock market. Know your favorite setup when you're interested to acquire stocks. Know your own risk tolerance and reward, and once you have them in a plan, execute it. Now remember the phrase, no one cares more about your money than yourself. Keep tuning to our Capital TV Midweek Update and look out for the trade and stock that is right for you. Let our Capital TV Midweek Update be that sounding road. That's all the time that we have, and thank you for joining us, and we'll review our stock watch Inari next week. Same time, same place. We welcome your question and feedback. My email is jc@capitaltv@gmail.com and my website is traderstruth.review.com. Thank you for listening.